Good afternoon. Tom Schaefer here with Blossom Installations. This is a 2019 Subaru Legacy push to start. Got Max in the picture here helping out with this video this time. Customer was complaining that the factory installed Subaru remote start system was intermittently not starting. So he wanted this system removed, and I installed an Excalibur RS275 3DB with a Blade AL software cartridge. This system allows consistent remote starting, along with the ability to start the vehicle by either pressing lock 3 times on the Subaru remote or by pressing lock 2 times on his long distance remote. Once this vehicle has been started, you will then come up, unlock it using the Subaru remote, enter the vehicle, close the door behind you, then simply step on the brake pedal and secure takeover has been achieved. Blossom Installations, Northeast PA, your technical, electrical, automotive installation experts. Blossom Installations.